The Bangladesh Diesel Plant Limited, a success story today. It has satisfied clients, a variable production line, convertible and fixed assets, and no loans or liabilities. BDP, as it is called in short, is now a vibrant, commercially operated facility with a diversified production line and customer base, poised to expand into the future. It was established by the government in 1967, started its journey in 1980 after independence under Bangladesh Steel and Engineering Corporation, assembling the Deutsch brand diesel engines of German origin. The factory continued its production and business activities for the next 20 years but could not become commercially viable and was shut down in the year 2000 after incurring heavy losses. But that was yesterday. On 30th May 2007, it was handed over to the Bangladesh Army. After all these years, it again went into production and started its business transactions from June 2008 under Army management. BDP is happy to report that now this plant has emerged as a profitable government industry through coordinated planning and efficient management. We are looking at tomorrow.
Bangladesh Army wants Bangladesh Diesel Plant Limited should establish and maintain itself as a role model of a commercially viable state-owned enterprise, complying all related standards.
Accordingly, the mission and objectives of the company have been set. BDP is governed by a board of directors. Through a Gazette notification, the government has approved the following 9-member board of directors and delegated them with requisite powers to administer the plant. The Quartermaster General, Chairman of the Board. Joint Secretary, Works and Development, Ministry of Defence, Director. President of ICMA, Director. Representative of IBA Dhaka University, Director. Representative of the Mechanical Wing, Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology, Director. DEME, Director. DOS, Director. MD, BMTF Limited, Director. Managing Director, BDP Limited, Director and Member Secretary. The plant is divided into 5 wings: production, planning and marketing wing, maintenance wing, budgeting and procurement wing, and admin wing. Over the past 8 years, the business spectrum of BDP Limited has widened and expanded through a 2-pronged approach: in-house and outsourced business. The in-house business activities are mostly related to own products, joint venture products, and partially outsourced products. The outsourced businesses are direct procurement method projects through selected business partners. BDP Limited is now manufacturing export-oriented spare parts using quality raw materials, skilled manpower and modern machinery in pursuance of its in-house business expansion. It has earned satisfaction of the clients through manufacturing and supplying different types of tools and spares for jute mills, feed mills, the Bangladesh Ordnance Factory, grounding rods and B-type line hardware for rural electrification board, transformers, solar structures, and pipes of different diameters for dressing. Apart from these, BDP Limited has the capability to manufacture many other spares of different machinery using its present infrastructure as per the demand of the valuable clients. It is now an ISO certified mechanical industry. BDP Limited, in addition to its factory activities, is massively involved in numerous nation-building development works, adopting outsourcing methods. Often the various ministries of the government prefer to give their national development responsibilities to BDP Limited. As an army-managed organization, BDP has already earned a good reputation by completing various projects within the specified time frame. Supplying quality goods to the ministries concerned, it has successfully completed the projects related to construction, earth filling, supply and installation of engines, pumps of various capacities, generators and solar system to different government and non-government organizations adopting outsourcing means. On screen you can see some of the ongoing projects. Re-excavation of Ataramaki River and construction of flushing regulator for BWDB. $50 megawatt power generation plant at Pagla, Narayanganj. Construction of Musapur closure at Feni. Water treatment plant at Kornofuli EPZ, Chittagong. Pump house construction, including supply of submersible pumps at Bera, Pabna, for WDB. Supply, establishment and maintenance of prepaid metering system for DPDC. 2G and 3G solar system installation in 3,208 unions for Poverty Alleviation Foundation. Land development and other associated work for Rampal 1,320 megawatt thermal power plant project at Bagherhat. Land development and other associated work for Paira 1,320 megawatt thermal power plant project. Excavation of Katkal pilot loop cut channel of Kalni Kushiara River, Kishoganj, BWDB. Works for earth filling of Sylhet gas field under Petro Bangla Limited. Supply of diesel engines, pump motors and related accessories for various projects of BADC. Construction of cold storage with machineries and accessories for BADC. Supply of different equipment to Central Ordnance Depot for UN missions. Through these outsourcing, limited productions and assembling in the factory, BDP has become economically solvent. In the process, its manpower has been trained to become professionally more competent and productive. To cope up with the versatile market demand, BDP is exploring multidimensional engineering, mechanical engineering, electromechanical engineering, and electrical products in the plant. BDP Limited is pursuing the policy of making the factory more vibrant by involving itself in joint venture projects at the factory premises. In the process, it has established a prepaid electric meter assembling and testing plant within its factory locations. Inshallah, it will be able to produce and market its own products and stabilize its financial base within a very short space of time. Working towards that objective, BDP Limited is phasing out most of the obsolete machineries, replacing those with new CNC machines for its future products. To fulfill the requirement of the armed forces, it has also established a concertina ware manufacturing line within its factory premises. In the process, the name, mission, objectives, capabilities along with the organogram will also be redesigned, as there will be a major shift in the production line of the factory. We have also enhanced our promotional activities for marketing our products by establishing a showroom, advertising in the electronic and print media, and display stalls at ICT Fair and Dhaka International Trade Fair. Along with the business expansion, BDP has genuine concern for its employees, their rights and privileges. Presently, it is providing an international living standard with all associated facilities to the workers. BDP is also involved in many nation-building benevolent jobs under corporate social responsibility. It has contributed to development of autistic babies, education of underprivileged children in Bandurban, Sylhet and Ghazipur, contributed to a cancer hospital, an eye hospital, and a daycare center for working ladies at Dhaka. The army had taken over the plant with a burden of old and damaged engines and a Dhaka 74 crore deficit. From a closed, failed, unproductive and abandoned plant, it has now become a profitable one. Over the last 8 years, BDP Limited has made profits, showing a very positive trend. Presently, it has no deficit or loans. Rather, it has become a recognized taxpayer industry of the country. No liabilities since BDP Limited has been taken over by the Bangladesh Army. No bank loans against the company. No loans given to business partners. All outstanding value-added taxes cleared till date. All outstanding income tax claims cleared till date. Chartered accountant firm audit has been updated without any audit objection. Our valued customers. our business partner. BDPL Limited thanks its clients for their confidence, the employees for their hard work, and the Army management guidance. We will continue to set and strive towards bigger objectives based on a continually evolving track record of success. We hope to find our clients and investors on our ever-expanding horizon.